Think citalopram is just another antidepressant? You need to know these three critical risks before taking it. Citalopram, often known by its brand name Celexa, is a medication prescribed to help lift the fog of depression and sometimes ease anxiety. It belongs to a group of medicines called SSRIs, which work by balancing a chemical in your brain called serotonin. While it can be a real game changer for many, like all powerful tools, it comes with important considerations. We'll explore what it's used for and then dive deep into three specific side effects you absolutely need to understand. Citalopram is primarily used for major depressive disorder, but doctors sometimes prescribe it off-label for conditions like generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, and even obsessive-compulsive disorder. It helps improve mood, sleep, appetite, and energy levels. But it's not without its potential downsides, and being informed is key to your health journey. One significant risk is its effect on your heart. Citalopram can sometimes cause something called QT prolongation, which is a fancy way of saying it can mess with your heart's electrical rhythm. This is why doctors are very careful with the dosage, especially at higher levels, and might even monitor your heart's activity. Another important one is serotonin syndrome. This happens if there's too much serotonin in your brain, often when citalopram is taken with other medications that also boost serotonin. Symptoms can include agitation, confusion, fast heart rate, sweating, and tremors. It's rare, but it's a serious issue that needs immediate medical attention. Finally, don't ever stop citalopram suddenly. Doing so can lead to something called discontinuation syndrome or withdrawal symptoms. People often describe brain zaps, dizziness, nausea, and flu-like feelings. It's crucial to work with your doctor to slowly and safely reduce the dose when it's time to stop. Understanding these points helps you have a better conversation with your doctor about whether citalopram is the right choice for you. For more insights into managing your mental health, click here to watch our next video.